Hello YouTube, this is a quick review of the Qicent Super Speed Plus USB 3.1 PCI Express card. Here's the very simple box. You can see it's USB 3.1 as well as, oh, it doesn't even say it there, as well as USB Type-C. Somewhere it shows that. I don't see it there. Well, it definitely has one on the back, and I'll show you that in a moment. Here's the general box. Some information about it. Some very simple guidelines. Take out a box. Stick in your computer. Clickety-click hardware installation. A couple of the specifications. It's a USB 3.1 add-on card. It does the USB 3.1 10 gigabits, which is approximately twice as fast as USB 3.0, which is pretty cool. It says there's two USB 3.1s, and one of those is a Type-C, which I'll show you in a minute. And then it takes one PCI Express X4 slot or greater. Cool thing about PCI Express is that you can always go bigger, you just can't make it smaller. So this won't fit an Express X1 slot. It has to be X4, X8, or X16. And you can use the optional 15-pin SATA power input if you want, and Windows XP or later. Let's see if it says anything here. Yeah, see, it says fit any PCI Express X4, X8, or X16. Still doesn't say anything on the outside of the box about the Type-C connector. So, what you get with the box? You get this really cool card that says about the same thing, all in Chinese. Open up the product, stick it in your computer. Alright. And it's all in Chinese. You get this little card, which says, hey, we'd like to hear from you. Please contact us. Use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Which, obviously, we're using YouTube. More Chinese. If you're happy, don't do anything. If you're not happy, email them directly. Alright. Mini CD for drivers, I would suppose. Couple screws here for your case. And then the product in an anti-static bag, sealed. Handle with care, obviously. Gotta handle that stuff with care. Alright. So let's tear this open and handle it with some care. Or not care. Alright. Well, you pull the card out. If you can get it out. First thing you'll notice is the black PCB. The black case holder here. Black on this side. I like it. It's sleek. It's small. Here's where I'm telling you. There is USB Type-C there. So for newer age peripherals, which we'll be switching to that eventually, I think, because it's ubiquitous. You can turn it upside down, back and forth, any direction. It just goes in, and that's really awesome. And then also USB 3.1 regular standard connector there. You'll notice the X4 PCI slot right there, and then the optional 15-pin SATA connector right there, just a SATA power, so pretty standard. So if you'll notice, here's my bad boy. You'll notice something interesting like that. There's a full X16 slot. This card is in an X16 slot. There's an X16 slot. So I actually don't have any X4 slots in my machine, so we're just going to be utilizing this X16 slot, which, like I said, doesn't make any difference. For PCI Express, you'll notice that the front connectors line up with that little notch in there, and then the back connectors will just sit in the back. So we'll go ahead and insert this guy here. Just so you know and you're not scared, I have already static discharge, and I am making sure to make contact with the ground so not to destroy my computer.